Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a DualSense controller. First, make sure your DualSense is charged and your mobile device's Bluetooth is on. To pair, hold the PlayStation and create buttons on your DualSense until the light bar flashes. Then, simply select the wireless controller option from your phone's Bluetooth menu. This quick setup gets you ready for an enhanced gaming experience in just a few moments. Once your DualSense is connected, open PUBG Mobile. Head into the game settings, then find the controls section. From there, select Advanced Controls to begin customizing your button layout. You can remap actions like shooting, aiming, and movement to suit your playstyle perfectly. Experiment with different configurations to find what feels most natural and gives you the competitive edge. To truly optimize your experience, fine-tune the sensitivity settings in PUBG Mobile. This allows for more precise aiming and movement. A phone mount can also greatly improve comfort during long gaming sessions, keeping your screen at an ideal viewing angle. Spend some time in the training grounds to master the controller's feel. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for avoiding frustrating lag, ensuring every match is as smooth as possible. Encountering issues? First, try restarting both your DualSense and mobile device. Also, confirm that both PUBG Mobile and your phone's operating system are fully updated, as this often resolves compatibility problems. Close any unnecessary background apps that might interfere with controller input. For optimal performance, keep your device and controller relatively close, ideally within 10 feet, to maintain a strong Bluetooth connection. These steps should help you enjoy seamless gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.